Live blackjack casinos in Australia operate quite differently from standard online blackjack, and understanding these differences helps you make informed choices about where and how to play. The fundamental distinction comes down to how the game unfolds. Live Dealer Blackjack in Australia uses real croupiers streaming in real time from professional studios, whereas RNG Blackjack relies entirely on software algorithms to determine outcomes. This real-time streaming creates transparency that changes the entire playing experience, since you're watching actual cards being dealt from physical decks rather than trusting random number generation. When evaluating the best live blackjack casinos Australia has to offer, table variety and rule transparency become your primary considerations. Quality operators provide multiple table options, and here's where things get interesting. The specific rules at each table directly impact the house edge you're facing. American blackjack tables at licensed Australian sites typically stream from HD studios with professional dealers, but you'll want to examine each table's rule set carefully before sitting down. Whether the dealer stands on soft 17, whether you can double after splits, whether surrender is available, these aren't minor details, they're factors that significantly alter your mathematical advantage. European blackjack live tables often feature different dealer protocols than their American counterparts, and the best live blackjack casinos Australia offers will display house edge percentages upfront so you can compare conditions directly. Multi-hand blackjack represents another variant you'll encounter at Live Dealer Blackjack Australia tables, allowing you to play multiple hands simultaneously against the same dealer. This increases decision complexity since you're managing several hands at once, but it also gives you more control over the action and lets you apply different strategies across your hands. Single-deck blackjack tables, when available in live formats, typically offer better odds than multi-deck games, though they require adjusted basic strategy since card removal effects are more pronounced with fewer decks in play. Before committing real money at live blackjack casinos Australia provides, there's practical value in practicing with free RNG versions first. This lets you understand gameplay flow, dealer procedures, and betting mechanics without financial pressure. Once you're comfortable with the fundamentals, compare live table limits and rule variations across licensed operators. Table minimums and maximums vary considerably between casinos and even between different tables at the same casino, so matching your budget to appropriate stakes is essential.